Khalid had observed the arrangement of the Muslims while standing on a high hill. The Prophet lined up the Mujahideen in a line about 1,000 yards long. There was a valley behind them. One side of the Mujahideen was a mountain, but there was nothing on the other side. To keep this side strong, the messenger placed 50 archers on a nearby hill. Abdullah ibn Jubair was the commander of these archers. "Understand your responsibility, Abdullah." Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Remember, Abdullah, if you see the enemy fleeing and we are gaining victory, do not leave this place. If you see the enemy overpowering us, if you see our dead bodies laying on the ground and vultures penetrating our bodies apart, do not leave this place. This mountain height should not be left in the enemy's possession. This height is yours, and from here